What if I told you your morning meal could melt fat, boost energy, and balance your hormones without flour, without sugar, just oats and avocado? Even celebs like Jennifer Aniston swear by this combo for a clean toned body, and now you can too. I used to skip breakfast thinking it would help me lose weight, but what actually happened? I ended up tired, bloated, and craving junk by noon. Then I discovered this nutrition packed combo, oats and avocado, and it completely reset my body. Here's why this works. Oat give you slow digesting complex carbs, so no blood sugar spikes. Avocado gives you healthy fats that crush cravings and keep you full for hours. Together, they create the perfect hormonal balanced breakfast, especially if you are struggling with PCOS, belly fat, or energy dips. A Harvard study found that people who ate balanced breakfast with healthy fat lose more weight and keep it off longer. And guess what? Celebrities like Jennifer Aniston, Halle Berry, and even Victoria Beckham start their day with avocado-based meal for glowing skin and steady energy, because it's not about starving yourself. It's about feeding your body the right way. Here's how to make it. Number 1. Take 1.5 cup oats. Cook with hot water or almond milk. Number 2. Mash 1.5 rib avocado and mix in. Number 3. Add a pinch of sea salt, a few drops of lemon, and optional chia seeds. You can even make it as overnight oats or a smoothie bowl. Your choice. You don't need expensive diet or fancy supplements. This one breakfast can stabilize your blood sugar, reduce cravings, and make your skin glow from the inside out. Eat clean, stay consistent, and your result will speak louder than any scale ever could. Save this video, try it tomorrow morning, and comment "Glow Up Breakfast" if you are starting your transformation today.